Service in La Crosse has issued a flash flood warning for eastern Howard County in northeastern Iowa, Winneshiek County in northeastern Iowa, Winona County in southeastern Minnesota, Fillmore County in southeastern Minnesota, until 1 a.m. Wednesday.
What?
At 6:58 p.m., Doppler radar indicated heavy rain falling across the Warren area.
Oh.
Up to 3 inches of rain have already fallen.
Crap.
Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Expected hazards include flash flooding caused by heavy rain. This is a radar-indicated threat.
Well, only 2
The following events are expected: flooding of small creeks and streams,
urban areas,
highways, streets, and other passes, as well as other drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flooding include Decorah, Cresco, Preston, Goodview, St. Charles, Rushford, Lewiston, Harmony, Calmar, Ocean, Maple, Lanesboro, Stockton, Rollingstone, Altura, Fountain, Spillville, Kenton, Ridgeway, and Providence. Excessive rainfall over the Warren area will cause mudslides near steep terrain. The mudslide can consist of rock, mud, vegetation, and other loose materials. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be especially cautious at night. Main impact time is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 1 a.m. Wednesday for the following counties in Minnesota, Fillmore and Winona, and the following counties in Iowa, Howard and Winneshiek. Taking a look at the 4 through 7 day forecast for Rochester and southeast Minnesota. Thursday night, mostly clear. Lows in the mid-50s. Northwest winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. For Friday, mostly sunny. Highs in the mid-70s. Friday night, mostly clear. Lows around 50. For Saturday, mostly sunny. Highs in the lower 70s. Saturday night, partly cloudy.
Now let's just wait for this for a few more minutes.
Now we've got a flash flood warning for Iowa City.
Oh, I know that.
A flash flood warning has been issued for our area.
Yeah.
That they had issued a flash flood warning because they're still.
I know, I already got that in the reviews. Well, hopefully we get this on the TV.
We've had severe thunderstorms in between Indianapolis and Dayton. This was.
Oh, come on. How did I get it before on the TV?
There's some energy with it. Could be some.
Dude, I usually get these at the time.
And then the severe
No, on the other TV, went on. Better. Oh, wow, that was surprised. Oh, let's just set that back. Well, yeah, why the heck is that?